Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Mission 14 parameter urine analysis reagent strip. This is from ACON actually, yeah, you can see this here. This is from ACON, Biotech. This is Mission urine analysis reagent strips, 14 parameters. You can see leukocytes, urobilinogen, albumin, protein, bilirubin, glucose, ascorbic acid, Sg, ketone, nitrite, creatine, pH, blood calcium. You can see this here. This is the reference part. The lot number is there. The reference part number is there. Yeah, I can show you around the box. You can see the Mission urine analysis reagent strips. The CIVD certified. It can store it in the room temperature. For rabbit and luffy urine specimen, urine analysis reagent strips package insert is there inside. So it's a 14 parameter test strips. Okay. Let me try to open this for you. Okay, got this open for you. Inside that, there is a box. There's one IFU brochure. There's a package insert. You can see the package insert. You can see the Mission urine analysis reagent strips. You can see the reference part number is here. There's a 14 parameter strips. Okay, let me open this for you. You can see this here. It says the urine analysis reagent strips or firm plastic strips onto which several separate reagent areas are affixed. The test is for the qualitative and semi-quantitative deduction of one or more of the following analytes in urine, like leukocytes, urobilinogen, albumin at low concentration, also known as microalbumin, protein, bilirubin, glucose, ascorbic acid, specific gravity, ketone, nitrite, creatinine, pH, blood calcium. The urine analysis reagent strips can be read visually and on the Mission urine analysis analyzer and are intended for professional use only. So if you look at this IFU brochure and you get the complete instructions and all the parameter details and how to do your test, you have the complete procedure in this. And here is the strips. I'm just opening this one for you to show the strips. This is sealed. You get the strips here. You can see this has this. Let me see, show you here. So you can see this here. It says urine analysis reagent strips. 25 pieces in this. 14C 25 pieces. You can see the lot number, reference, expiry date is there. C certified. You can see the indications marking here actually. Yeah. Based on the color coding, you can identify the quantitative nature. So you can see it's from ACON Biotech from China. So this is how the total box looks like. So just quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Mission from ACON Mission urine analysis reagent strips, 14 parameter strips. This is how the box looks like, and you get an IFU brochure. So in a box you get one IFU brochure and 25 strips in a box. There's 25 strips in the box. This is how the total kit looks like. Thank you.